Now in this video we are going to take up how to solve this problem combination of quadrants, how to analyze this by using the sketchbook, and how to draw this by using the sketchbook. A point capital M is 30 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. Another point N is 15 mm behind VP and 20 mm below HP. The horizontal distance between the points parallel to XY line is 50 mm. Draw the projections of the points M and N and join their front and top views. Draw the right side view for point N only. Now if you see this, here when you want to analyze this, the point M is 30 mm in front of VP. So in front of VP, where you are going to get? You are going to get in the below XY line. Suppose if you are considering this, in front of VP will be the top view. Okay, and so I will going to take 20 mm below XY line, and above HP will always comes the front view. So this is the front view what you get. So 20 mm above HP is always above the XY line, that is the front view. That is 20 mm, you measure from here 20 mm, you mark this as M dash. So you have the top view and you have the front view. Another point N is 15 mm behind VP. Behind VP means HP, so obviously the top view will going to come above XY line. Always behind VP will be above XY line. So from here you measure 15 mm and draw, and you mark this point as N. And 25 mm below HP. So below HP is always in VP, so the front view will always comes below XY line. This is the front view. So that is from here you measure 25 mm and you mark this point. As we want to find, we know the horizontal distance between the points parallel to XY line. So that is this distance is the one which he is talking about is 50 mm. So this is the projector A and this is the projector M and this is the projector N. Once you fix this, then you can be able to mark these two. So this is how you will be able to analyze this. But now we want to do the problem by using the sketchbook. So to do that, first what we will do, we are going to draw the XY line and X1, Y1 line. Once you do that, then you measure point M is 30 mm in front of VP. First you draw a vertical projector, a thin line, and then from XY line you measure 30 mm and you mark this point as small m. And 20 mm above HP, so from here you measure the distance of 20 and you mark this as M dash. So once you got the projector M, then from here you measure the distance of 50 mm. So from measure 50 mm and draw one more vertical projector. Once you draw this, then from here another point N is 15 mm behind VP. Behind VP is always comes above XY line. So from XY line you measure the distance of 15 mm and you mark this point as small m. Similarly, and 25 mm below HP. Below HP is always the front view which comes below XY line. From XY line you measure 25 mm and you mark this point as N dash. And then what he says is, draw the projections of the points M and N and join their front and top views. So since M dash and N dash is the front view, join between these two with a thin line. Similarly, in top view, M and N, you join between these two by means of a thin line. As we know the right side view for the point N only, so when you are considering this, first you should identify the quadrant. So which is the quadrant? Point N. The point N, since the top view is above XY line and the front view is below XY line, so obviously that will be the third quadrant. So what happens in the third quadrant, where you are going to get the right side view? The right side view is going to come on the right profile plane because it is behind VP, and since it is behind VP, so obviously it should be behind RPP. So on RPP we are going to get the right side view. So therefore you take any convenient distance from projector N and draw one more line which is X1, Y1 line. And then you draw a horizontal projector from N dash to the profile view and draw by using the protractor, you measure an angle of 45 degree with the intersection of X1, Y1 line, the intersection of X1, Y1 and XY line, and then you measure an angle of 45 degree adjacent to the top view of the third quadrant and then draw an inclined line. Draw a horizontal projector from N to the 45-degree line, and then from here draw a vertical projector. Both these two lines, both the horizontal projector drawn from N dash and draw a vertical projector drawn from 45-degree line. Both these 2 points will going to intersect at this point, and we mark this point as N double dash. Then show the dimensions of 45 degree, and this is 15 and this is 25, and this distance is 15 and this distance is 30 and this distance as 20. And draw the right side view for the point N only. So we have written the right side view for the point N, and you show this as the right side view. So this is how you will be able to analyze and solve this problem by using the sketchbook. Thank you.